When Jesus went to the cross, if anybody had a right to be bitter and angry and resentful, he did. But he did not. And so by example, he says it, and by word, he teaches us not to be bitter and angry no matter what happens. And there are a lot of people who are miserable today because they're bitter towards someone for something they've done. Maybe they cheated you in some fashion. Maybe they made a promise they broke. And I think about how many people make promises to each other about marriage and break those promises. You can't be living a double life and have peace. No matter how fine your automobile is, how big your bank account, what position you have, you may be number one in whatever situation you're in. You don't have peace with God if you're not obedient to God. You cannot.